Welcome back to Tesha Time. Today we're doing a super fun SpongeBob quiz. Think you know Bikini Bottom? Let's find out. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Tesha Time so you don't miss the next games. Let's go. For first question, can you guess the character? It's SpongeBob. Can you guess the character? That is Patrick Star. How about this one? Yes, it is Squidward. Question number 4. Where does Squidward actually live? Is it A, this tall stone house, or B, the pineapple house? And the correct answer is A. Squidward lives in the tall Moai stone house right between SpongeBob and Patrick. Can you guess this character? It is Plankton. And can you guess this one? Yes, it is Larry. Now try guess this one. It is Mr. Krabs. Question number 8. Where does SpongeBob work? Is it A, the chum bucket, or B, the Krusty Krab? And the correct answer is B. SpongeBob works at the Krusty Krab as a fry cook. Can you guess this character? It is Gary. How about this character? It is Sandy. Be honest. Did you know this character instantly? Yes, it is Karen, the smartest computer in the ocean and Plankton's bossy genius partner.
Are you happy now, Karen?
Okay, bestie. Stop scrolling. Choose your SpongeBob blind box right now. No cheating, no switching. Pick your box now. If A, you got Chef SpongeBob, master of Krabby vibes. If B, you got soft boy Patrick, holding a flower like he's in his healing era. If C, you got Burger Boss SpongeBob, living inside the Krabby Patty. Can you guess the character? It is Mermaid Man. Who's your favorite character? Is it SpongeBob SquarePants, Patrick Star, or Squidward Tentacles? Can you guess this character? Yes, it is Mrs. Puff. Where does Ms. Puff house? Is it A or B? The correct answer is A. What's the famous burger served at the Krusty Krab? Krabby Patty, Krabby Burger, or Krabby Krab? The correct answer is Krabby Patty.
Called the Krabby Patty.
Choose your SpongeBob water bottle. Do you want box A, box B, or box C? So, do you like your choice? Again, now choose your SpongeBob bag. Do you want box A, box B, or box C? So, do you like your choice? Who is the owner of the Krusty Krab? A. Squidward, B. Mr. Krabs, C. Plankton. The right answer is B. Mr. Krabs. Okay, bestie. Can you guess the character? Just from the shadow? Look at this shadow. Those long legs, that dramatic pose. Who do you think it is? And the answer is Squidward Tentacles, the most dramatic clarinet player in Bikini Bottom. Again, now choose your SpongeBob bag. Do you want box A, box B, or box C? So, do you like your choice? Can you guess this character? It is Pearl Crab. She is Mr. Krabs' daughter. Who's your favorite character? Is it Miss Puff? Or it is Pearl Crab? Or it is Sandy Cheeks? Who is SpongeBob's best friend? A. Squidward, B. Patrick, C. Sandy. The correct answer is B. Patrick. He is SpongeBob's best friend. Who is SpongeBob's neighbor that plays the clarinet? A. Mr. Krabs, B. Patrick, C. Squidward. The answer is C. Squidward. Can you guess the character just from the shadow? It is Doodle Bob. Now try this character just from the shadow. It is Barnacle Boy. He is sidekick to Mermaid Man in SpongeBob SquarePants. What kind of animal is Sandy? A. Crab, B. Fish, C. Squirrel. The answer is C. Squirrel. Wow, there are a lot of SpongeBob, but one so different. Can you find the odd one out? Yes, that is the odd one. And that's it for today's SpongeBob quiz. How many did you get right? Comment your score below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Tesha Time for more fun quizzes. See you in the next challenge.